Good day guys! For today's video, we are assigned to make and explain on how to get the fingerprint classification from primary up to the final classification. So, let's start. For the primary classification, it involves the 10 fingers, and each finger has a value. For the right thumb and right index, it has a value of 16. Right middle finger and right ring finger, it has a value of 8. Right little and left thumb, it has a value of 4. Left index and left middle, it has a value of 2. And for the left ring and left little finger, it has a value of 1. And always remember those who have value: the plain whirl, the central pocket loop, the double loop, and the accidental whirl. And for those who don't have value, it is the plain arc, the tinted arc, the radial loop, and the ulnar loop. And we have here the numerator for even numbers: in 1, in 3, in 5, in 7, and in 9. And we have the denominator for odd numbers. It is for the number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8, and number 10. And we will put the numerator at the top. And for the denominator, it will be put at the bottom of numerator. And I have a problem here, and let us find its value. So we will start from the numerator for even numbers. So in number 1, a plain whirl. A plain whirl has value, and it has a value of 16. So I put 16 here. And next is the central pocket loop. And central pocket loop has value. It has a value of 8. So I put 8 here. Next is the accidental whirl. The accidental whirl still has value. So I put 4 here because it has a value of 4. And next is the radial loop, and radial loop has no value, so I put 0 here. And next is the accidental whirl, and accidental whirl has value, so I put 1 here. Next, we will proceed to the denominator, which is for odd numbers. So in number 2, it is a plain arc, and plain arc has no value, so I put 0 here. Next is the double loop. The double loop has value, and it has a value of 8, so I put 8 here. Next is the tinted arc, which is tinted arc has no value, so I put 0 here. Next is the double loop. We know that double loop has value, so we will put its value 2 here. And lastly, for the central pocket loop. Central pocket loop has value, so we will put 1 here. Next is we will total all the value that we have. So 16 plus 8 equals to 24, plus 4 is equals to 28, and plus 1 is equals to 29. But always remember, whatever the result, we will add 1, so it is equal to 30. And for the denominator, it is 8 plus 2 equals 10, and plus 1 equals 11. And I said that we will add 1, so 8 plus 2 equals 10, plus 1 equals 11, and plus 1 again is equals to 12. So our primary classification is 30 over 12. In secondary classification, capital letter is found only in index finger. So, when we say index finger, it is the finger number 2 and finger number 7. And the rest fingers is for small letters. The finger number 1, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. But remember that not all patterns are included in small letter. It will only include if it is a member of rat family. So we will find the secondary classification, and we will start in the index finger. Central pocket loop, so we will write a capital C here, and a double loop. Since the double loop is a member of the words, so we will put a capital W here. Now we will proceed to the small letter group. So R, it is a member of rat family, so we will put a small letter R here. Next, in finger number 3, it is an ulnar loop, and ulnar loop is not a member of rat family, so we will put a dash here. And in the finger number 4, it is a double loop, and still it is not a member of the rat family, so we will put dash again here. And in finger number 5, it is a radial loop, and it is a member of rat family, so we will put a small letter R. And we will proceed to the left hand. So in finger number 6, it is an ulnar loop, and it is not a member of rat family, so we will put dash here. And in finger number 8, it is a radial loop, and it is a member of rat family, so we will put a small R. In finger number 9, it is a tented arc, and still it is a member of rat family, so we will put a small letter T. And lastly, in finger number 10, it is a plain whorl. The plain whorl is not a member of rat family, so we will put a dash here. And always remember that the right hand is always aligned to the left hand. And this is our secondary classification.